What is up, you guys? My name is Stunning Prodigy, and I'm here with Untamed Out.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's just
And
weird.
why? It's
Uh,
okay when you do it, but when I do it, it's
yeah,
just
I
weird.
didn't do it like that. Like you made it with like a weird accent. You're like, oh yeah, and I was just like, oh yeah.
That dome's way too small, and he's editing that down. I'm just gonna.
Small hell. Okay, well, obviously we are on our network
Yep.
in the hub.
The hub. I put it down in the description for both of our videos.
Yeah.
And so, which one do you want to show off first, op or
Uh,
factions? While he's editing.
Factions.
Jump through the portal.
Uh,
Oh yeah, new
ladder
spawn, new
market.
spawn.
Okay. Oh yeah. Are we putting this on OP too?
Which one do you think we should do? I like this one to be.
Yeah, we should do this on OP.
Alright, so that'll be in a little bit. But this is the new spawn, guys. And, guys can come on here, create a
And
faction.
did I make a workshop on this?
I think so. Warps. Yeah,
Oh
you
yeah,
did.
yeah, we have a workshop on this.
And,
This shop's
if you guys
which
want to go
one?
between servers, you can do /server. And you can connect. You are currently connected to factions. You may connect to the following servers at this time: factions, OP factions, and lobby. Lobby is the hub. Let's go server.
Oh, hey, if you put your there's not server, and if you put your mouse over it, it tells you how many are in each one. 2 players in lobby, 0 in OP, 1 regular.
Alright, I'm going op factions.
Server,
Oops.
OP factions.
I was in one of the players' bases because they TP'd me there. Because they had
How's that?
something they wanted to show me
Alright. Well, this is the spawn for
from
OP.
here, but that's gonna be changing soon.
Yep.
I like the spawn, but it can be
Yeah.
better, you know.
And then let's warp shop. Okay. I made this shop and kind of the other one.
Bob's on.
Yeah.
I don't know why you had to build this at bedrock level.
I don't know.
It's like really annoying, but I guess.
You.
So what else do we need to show them?
Huh. Nothing too much.
Hey guys, just come on here, guys, have fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the server and enjoy this video. Actually, I'm doing a
Alright,
giveaway,
wait.
guys. So
Yeah, I was about to mention that.
guys, go check out that video. It'll be up before this video's up, so it should be like the video right before this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.